So there's about 2 days left to shop the Sephora sale. My online order finally came in, so let me show you what I got. Hey Socialites, welcome back. And if you're new here, I'm Ariell. I do mainly beauty videos, fragrance, and lifestyle. So if those are the type of videos you enjoy watching, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button and come join the family. Before we jump into the haul, I do want to thank Sephora for sponsoring today's video, and I want to thank you guys for your continued support. If any of you have any last minute orders you want to pick up, I do want to encourage you guys to shop through those links. That is the only way Sephora is going to know I sent you. First up is the new Giorgio Armani Prisma Glass. It's a super shiny gloss. This is one of their newer glosses. It was actually on my wish list. I got it in the color Berry Beam, and those of you who got it already, a few of you told me you love it, but I also swatched them too in the shopping at Sephora video that went up, and so this was my favorite color out of the bunch. Look at that. And it does have some sort of shimmery like reflex in there. Not really reflex, but there's like a golden sheen or something in there. So let's swatch it. So it does have a slight pink tint to it. This is so cute. I wish I would have worn it today. And then I picked up another Dior Forever Skin Correct. Now with the first haul, I did pick up one in the shade 3.5. Somebody brought it to my attention that they're not 3 comma or 4 comma, it's 3.5. But for some reason on the actual packaging, they have 4 comma in. It's a comma, I don't know. So let's say 4.5 is easier. So I picked up 4.5 in, which is the normal shade that I wear, which is almost like my skin color, but I'm almost out of mine. It's pretty much done. So I just had to pick up another one. This is my favorite concealer. And one of the Socialites did comment today and let me know that he loves the Natasha Denona concealer, which I have been super interested in. So comment down below if you've tried it as well. He said that it's similar in the way it looks and I guess feels and applies as the Dior, except it's thinner, but you get the same amount of coverage. So that's super intriguing. So I may pick that up before, you know, the last day. And then next is a new product. This is the Beauty Balm from Anastasia Beverly Hills, which is actually a skin tint. I picked it up in the shade 13, so I hope that this is the right shade. It's not in stores yet, at least not at Sephora. So from looking at the pictures online, this seemed to be the best color match for me. So it's in one of those deodorant type forms. That's what it looks like. It has a little cap on the top similar to the Fenty Eavesdrop Stick. And this shade looks perfect. I think this is gonna work out just fine. So let's swatch it. Oh wow, that's almost, well, okay, so it looks a little gray though. It looks my shade here, but there's a slight, I'm not sure how that shade is going to work out. It looks like it matches, but then I see a slight gray hue to it. So I don't know, sometimes things, you know, show up differently on the actual skin. So be on the lookout for a full review and wear test of this skin tint. And next is actually, it's like skincare, but I put it with the makeup. So this is the Glow Screen Golden Hour shade. I actually wore this today. I had like a deluxe size sample. I had like 2 deluxe size samples of the Glow Screen. It's a sunscreen that's tinted. And I've been using those deluxe samples. I mix it in with another SPF, like a tinted SPF that I really love. And so I knew when the sale came that I wanted to get a full size because I'm almost out of those 2 deluxe sizes. But I'll squeeze a little bit here. And it's just like a sunscreen. You blend it into your skin and it just leaves a beautiful sheen that's gorgeous. Perfect for everyday wear if you just want to throw it on and go to protect your skin. But I love how almost like buttery and supple it feels on the skin. This stuff feels really nice. So I get all the hype about this one. And next is a Sephora powder puff. Now I use these puffs all the time to not only to blend out my concealer, but I set powder with it. but I've never tried a Sephora brand. So I was intrigued by that. I think only one comes in here. The ones that I typically get have a lot in. Ooh, this is soft. Okay, so it's bigger than the ones I use, and this is a lot softer than the ones I use, like unbelievably soft. Wow, this is nice. So I'll probably be using this tomorrow on a try new makeup video tomorrow and let you guys know how I feel about it, because this feels so good. You guys might want to pick a couple up before the sale is over. So moving on to skincare. Now, this is a product that I showed you guys in the first haul, but I've been using it every night since the first haul, and so I had to get another one, you guys. This is the Sephora Collection BPT Moisturizer. It feels great. It almost feels like a hug on your skin, like it just hugs onto your skin. It feels really soft. It's super gentle. I wanted to find a moisturizer that was gentle enough to use when I use other products that have, you know, acids and such in it. Sometimes my It Cosmetics night cream, I can feel a little sensitivity with it, like not really a burning, but I could feel something that's a little bit uncomfortable. But I love that night cream, y'all. It's best of the best. So for the nights that I wear acids or things that aren't as gentle on my skin, I wanted a super gentle moisturizer, and this is it, you guys. So I picked up another one of them. There's no scent to it. It just goes on super clear. It's super gentle. It's just what I needed. So glad I was able to pick up another one before the sale was over. So the next two products is a result of some Sephora samples, you guys. Sephora knows what they're doing when they send these samples with your orders. Because y'all, I tried out, every time I place an order with them, I get at least a couple of samples, and I had a few stacked up in the last few nights. I said, you know what, let me start trying out some of those samples. And you guys, there were two in particular that I loved right away that I had to pick these up. And I said, I'm not trying any more samples. Because like I said, Sephora knows what they're doing. So I'm not trying any more samples because I fell in love, y'all. And the first one I want to talk about is the, forgive me, I don't know how to really pronounce this. I'll say Sulwhasoo. So this is the brand. I've never tried anything from this brand before. This is the Gentle Cleansing Foam, and I had a sample of this from a previous Sephora order. Used it on my skin the other night, you guys. It's gentle, but it does a deep clean. It brightens. It doesn't dry your skin out. It just felt so lovely on my skin. And when I went in with toner, it was just completely free of anything. You know how sometimes you can double cleanse, but when you go in with toner, you may still see a little bit of, you know, dirt or residue or something on there to show you that your skin was not 100% clean. Y'all, with this, 100% clean when I go in with my toner. And like I said, it brightens and it just felt really good. It didn't feel dry. I just loved everything about it. So immediately I had to add to cart, and the price point wasn't bad either. I think it was like $30 or somewhere around there. And then with my 20% off, y'all, this is good. I'm glad I got it. And then I had another sample of another cleanser. Y'all, I've heard a lot of great things about this cleanser, but I had a sample. I tried it out. They actually had like a limited edition double size where you get double the size for like a cheaper price, but it sold out really quick. It's the Tatcha Rice Wash. Tatcha Rice Wash. So I'm pretty sure a lot of you have used this already. So comment down below if you have. But look, they had a jumbo size, and I think it was, can't remember the price right off the bat. This does a really good deep cleaning. Same thing when I went in with my toner. There's no residue left on the skin. It says a pH neutral cream cleanser that gently purifies while moisturizing. It doesn't leave your skin feeling dry, kind of similar to this one. But I'm out of all of my cleansers. I use the rest of like my daily cleanser that I love to use like day or night. I have been using the It Cosmetics one. but I'm not going to repurchase that one. We'll talk about skincare in another video. And so I just have my Peter Thomas Roth cleansers that I use that one only when my skin is really going through something. So these are going to be like the everyday cleanser. I'll probably go through one and then, you know, go through the other. By the time I finish with these two, hopefully the winter sale will, you know, have rolled around. And then I also picked up some more wipes. So since the last haul, I've been using the Sephora wipes. It was my first time buying them. I love them. They're super soft. I love the size of them. It just feels really great on the skin. So I picked up another one of these. You guys, I highly recommend y'all try these if you haven't. They're $4 and you get 30% off. So get a couple. If you get one, you're definitely going to want another one. So get a couple and, you know, hopefully that'll last you at least till, you know, almost the next sale. So maybe get 2 or 3. So the next product, I actually got this barrier repair cream, which is like a body cream. And I also saw that they had a body wash, and I ordered the body wash and the body cream. My order took a while to come in, you guys, and they ended up canceling the body wash. So I guess it sold out before they could get it to me. So this is the 54 Thrones Cloud Rapid Hydration Cream. I've never heard of this. I've never even heard anybody talk about it, but I saw it was new and I was thinking, hey, wait, why not try it out? Because the price point wasn't too crazy. That's what it looks like. Smells like cocoa butter, like a sweet, sweet version of it. So it's really rich. Really rich, thick and rich, ultra hydrating. You know, maybe I'll try to pick up the body wash another time when it comes in stock because I was interested in trying them out together, but this feels really good. So it has Ugandan vanilla and Ethiopian honey in here. Wow, this smells nice, super thick and rich. So 54 Thrones Cloud Rapid Hydration Barrier Repair Cream. Y'all, this is good. It's really thick. And last but not least, you guys, is a product that people have been raving about, but I first heard about it last week when I was talking about some body cream, and one of the socialites, every time I mention body creams, she tells me the body creams that she loves, and she says, you gotta try the Youth to the People. And when I went on there to add it to cart, it was sold out. So I got a notification that it was back in stock, and I immediately placed an order for pickup. And I put it in the community tab for you guys because I've been hearing amazing things. Now, this is called the Super Berry Firm and Glow Dream Body Butter, free to dream. So it's interesting that some people say they love the smell. Some people say they're not a fan of the smell, but everybody loves the glow that it gives your skin and the moisture that it gives your skin. So let's try this out. So this is pretty big. You get 8 ounces. It's supposed to visibly firm, brighten, replenishes moisture. It does have niacinamide in it. Okay, it smells fresh and clean. Like a little earthy, but not a bad earthy. It's sort of bright, fresh, clean, and earthy, herbally. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. So this one looks a little thinner than the 54 Thrones one I just showed you guys. Yeah, so this one's not as thick. So let's try it out. Although it still feels really rich. Ooh, y'all, this almost turns into an oil. Look how shiny that is. So that's the glow that everybody was talking about. Yes, this is what you need for the summertime. It's earthy. So if you're not a fan of those sort of herbally earthy scents, like woodsy earthy, you may not like the scent of it, but I don't mind it because it gives fresh, but it leaves a beautiful shine to the skin, almost similar to how the Fenty Butter Drop leaves that shine because it turns into an oil. That's almost what this one is doing. So I got a couple samples. You know how you can pick the samples with your order. So this is the Fortifying Hair Serum from Ranavat. Never heard of it, but this packaging looks cute. I'm looking at the little bottle on there. It looks nice. So I'll keep you guys posted on how I like the hair serum. And then I got the Outset Daily Essentials Regimen, and I've never heard of the Outset. So it's skincare. And so it came with the Gentle Micellar Cleanser. And then in the middle is the serum, firming vegan collagen serum. And then we have a nourishing squalane daily moisturizer. So you get your cleanser, serum, and moisturizer. So I'm gonna try this whole little line out and keep you guys posted on the monthly hit and misses. So that's it for my last Sephora haul, you guys, from the sale. Comment down below, let me know what are like the 2 or 3 most exciting products that you guys got from the sale, or are some of you guys still waiting on your order? If you've tried any of the products from today's haul, let me know what you think about it. How do you use them? Every single thing that I mentioned today, I'll have linked down below in the description box. Like I said, I do want to encourage you guys to shop through those links if you have any last minute orders. That way Sephora knows that I sent you guys. Thank you all so much for your continued support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on tomorrow's video. 'Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love, 'cause too fresh with the scars. Well, I don't have the